Angela is the CEO of a small startup, Angela's Apples. She and other officers in the company want to raise money to put their fresh produce and baked goods in more stores. To do so, they consider making an initial public offering, or IPO. Those who invest in Angela's Apples will become the company's first shareholders. Issuer Consulting, specializing in IPOs, informs Angela that the first step requires filing the Form S-1 to the SEC. Issuer Consulting tells Angela that the Form S-1 serves as the initial registration for new securities. In order for Angela's Apples to appear on a stock exchange, the SEC has to declare the S-1 effective. Public companies in the United States require an S-1 filing prior to the IPO. During the planning meetings, Angela is surprised to learn that it takes between 10 and 16 weeks for most companies to go public following S-1 approval. So, she instructs her staff to do everything possible to make the process go smoothly. Angela's Apples isn't there quite yet. As the staff of Angela's Apples works diligently to prepare for the company's IPO, Angela considers which stock exchanges might be best for her. Her consultants inform her that she does not qualify for NASDAQ for her small company, but suggest an alternative. Angela's Apples can instead list onto OTC Markets. OTC stocks provide a way for small companies to trade their securities in the stock market without meeting the capital minimum and other requirements of national exchanges. To Angela's delight, she can continue on with her Form S-1 resale registration statement. So, if Angela's Apples investors want to sell their securities, this provides the liquidity event to do so. While gathering information for the S-1, Angela's team will include 1. How the company plans to use capital through an IPO. 2. A detailed account of Angela's Apples' business model. 3. Information on competitors. 4. A prospectus of the security, including the price and dilution. There are two major sections of the S-1, the prospectus and an optional section. In the prospectus, Angela's team provides historical and financial information about Angela's Apples, when it will issue shares, and key information investors look for. In the second, optional section, companies can provide information about unregistered securities. After the SEC completes its review of an S-1 registration, it declares the form effective. Once Angela's team receives SEC approval, the company can move forward with issuing free trading stock through its transfer agent, Colonial Stock Transfer. So, after reviewing further the pros and cons of an IPO on OTC Markets, Angela and her team decide to go with an OTC listing onto the OTCQB tier. Although it is a smaller market, this route best meets the needs of Angela's Apples due to its limited capitalization.